I would like to invite Fitin consultant. To present this, I would like to call upon the principal consultant, Raam K. Vinodh Babu Sailaja, on stage, please. Can we give him a big round of applause? I hope everybody is having fun because this is all about learning, and that's why we are here to learn and connect with everybody. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Thank you very much. So basically, we are Fitin consultants. It's a research-based civil engineering firm. We have our first product called Cool Homes. It's a patented technology which is nothing but to build a house, high-rise building, or a factory, or any other building must be in a faster way. For example, we just require 1/4 of the time, and the strength will be at least 3 to 5 times more than the normal conventional methods. Not only that, during this global warming, we can guarantee a temperature difference of around 5 to 10 degrees. So I will move on with the slides. We are more sustainable. We are modern, yes, of course, economical. We are the sturdiest one. As I said before, we are more around 3 to 5 times stronger than the normal methods. We are very simple that in order to build a house or building or anything, we just require 4 labors. Not a skilled one, normal one is enough for us to build it. So this is about us. So basically, we are a private-owned, private limited company, more into research-oriented civil engineering products. So this is one of our products. We have certain upcoming products. So we are not into government categories. So we are looking forward to have more products like marine coastal protection system. Not only that, AI integrated project manager. These are our upcoming projects in future. This is basically about myself. So we just started on 2020. In 1 year, we already done our pilot projects. We got our product patented. Not only that, we have one big project with more than 300 villas going on with an army welfare trust, and we do have other projects going on. So in a year, we do have a certain accomplishment which we are very proud of. As I said before, this is about our product. So main USP I would like to mention, you can have direct savings of around 10 to 20%. This will be around 30% in case of a residential or a developer who are into high-rise building or a factory construction, this kind of building. The construction time will be much lesser. You can save up to around 70 to 75%. We have an issue here. Excuse me. Console. Can I have anyone from console, please? It's not working. Yeah. Just. Excuse me. Can I have anyone from the console? Oh yes, please, it's working now. Thank you. So the time of construction will be at least around 75% lesser than the normal one. As I said before, we are 3 to 5 times stronger than the conventional methods. The labor dependency, we just require 4 labors to build a house or a building of middle scale, and we just require around 7 to 10 labors for high-rise building or a building with higher potential. So anybody can be a builder, anybody can be a developer, not like you are depending on more than 100 or 120 labors on a daily basis, where you are encounter into a lot of issues, even PF, ESIC, we don't have any other things. So anybody who want to collaborate with us can easily be a developer without getting to certain legalities, labor laws in India. And in terms of carbon footprint, I would like to highlight that even during the construction phase, we are 50% less in terms of carbon footprint, even though we use 10 times more concrete, 10 times more concrete, 10 times more steel than the other builders. And every month you can have a direct savings of around 50% in terms of electricity bill. Not only that, you do have other savings. So the main highlights we would like to mention about our technology is we are patented, higher cost saving, shorter construction. There won't be any dust or insects in your home or a building or apartment, anything. Entire home is an air-cooled one. Not only that, the structural integrity of the building will be at least 3 to 5 times more than the normal one. We can have more interior spaces as we don't have any columns in our construction. Our walls are much thinner than the normal methods. We are more advanced soundproof one, as if there is any common walls where two apartments are joined, we don't hear anything from the other side. Even it's very, very far better for the bedrooms and other bathrooms. And our cantilever stairs can be removed, replaced with other materials. Anything can be done in 10 to 15 minutes so that you can use that area as a party lounge area if you want. Our walls are unbreakable, not like a brick wall where a sledgehammer, we can use a sledgehammer to, break it out. But in our case, it won't be happening because it's a double reinforced concrete one. And we are fully thermally insulated. Not only that, we are more green, as I said before. Our dependency on the energy is much, much lesser than the normal one. This is the typical section of our wall where we have an inner concrete wall with reinforcement, outer concrete wall with reinforcement. There will be concealed HVC duct which have been connected to a geothermal system where it will work in a way that we will take the air from a higher elevation, we will pump it to the ground, which is 15 feet below the ground. So the ground got a property, during the hotter time it will be cold, during the cold time it will be much, much hotter. So depending on the temperature we require, naturally we get a warm and cold temperature inside without any air conditioning unit supports. So you can see how our walls are being built. There will be an insulation layer. There will be fusion welded steel which we are using. We use everything from an approved vendor like Tata, Schneider and all. So I will move on. I don't want to waste your time. Our weakness, we would say that we are into an early stage. As I said, we are just 1-year-old company, so we don't have much market penetration. So public awareness is there, the lack of public awareness is there. The threats mainly about the mentality of our people in adapting new technology and the negative mentality of certain governments. Here I would like to congratulate our Kerala Startup Mission, who are promoting us in a much, much broader way, not only for us, for all our entire startups in our state. We are being given with help in developing product videos, even getting the investors. Not only that, even for providing the incubation, everything in a simple and efficient manner, which are, I would say, when compared to the other states, we are getting much privilege. I would like to highlight, I am not here to pour any insult, but I would like to congratulate them for what they are doing, especially the young team currently with the KUCM. Thank you, and thank you everyone. And the current stage, 1 year, as I said, even though we use 10 times more concrete, 10 times more steel than anybody else, yet we are more adaptable for the projects like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, where our aim is to, for the commoner, the needy, they should also deserve to live in a place where the temperature is much, much cooler and warmer than the normal one. The air conditioning system was a luxury a decade ago, but nowadays we don't feel that in that way. By giving them a typical normal house, I don't think that we are doing the proper justice for our future. So by integrating to our technology, without even spending a single penny extra than the current market, we can give them an air-cooled house, stronger one, even it can withstand landslide, earthquake. A lot of other features are there. So we are also pitching for it. So we are a ISO 9001 certified company. We are also committed to certain environmental aspects. We are an IGBC member as well. We do have certain awards. Even yesterday we have received the Innovative Smart City Concept Award from here itself. So we are expecting to have more than 10 collaborators by the end of this year. We are pushing our reach to first to the Middle East, then to South Africa and to South Australia as well. Regarding our technology, is the most adaptable one. Anybody can copy. It's not a complex one. It's a simple design. It's easy to arrange. We are looking forward to have a collaboration with business to business, B2G for the government projects if they are building a government buildings or anything. By adapting our technology, they can directly save a lot of money. Not only that, every month they can save huge amount in terms of electricity bill. In other way, I would like to highlight the point that carbon footprints. Every month you can save a lot. And B2C, we are also keen into individual customers who are looking forward to have their dream home. So this is our basic business model, how we are working. So I'll skip this part. Normally, but I would like to highlight one point. Normally in a traditional construction method, around 65% and above are being spent for the labor front. That means how much money you are giving, the materials are maybe maximum up to 30%. Rest is all about the labor front cost and everything. So you are not getting anything. If you are paying 1 rupee, you are getting back only 20 paise or something. In our case, even though we use lot of steels and concrete, whatever the money you are spending, the 60% we are investing on the materials. That's how we have been able to give you the product which contain around 10 times more concrete and 10 times more steel, which are further advanced than the normal and traditional methods. Yet, we offer double profit in 4 months, which the normal contractors and developers could not even get it in 2 years' time. So this is our aluminium formwork. I would like to, people often say that the cost for the aluminium shuttering has to be, must be very, very high. Yes, it's true. For 1 CR project, we at least require around 50 lakhs worth of aluminium shuttering forms. But our business model has been set in a way that by doing 4 projects, we will achieve the break even. I would like to highlight that every 12% of the entire project amount has been given up for the rental charges. So whoever investing on the shuttering material, they will have their break even in 1 to 1.5 years. After that, every project they will have their stake as 12%. So if some builder don't want to invest on the shuttering material, we are more than happy to give them the material from our end. We will assist them. You only just need to arrange 4 labors, not an unskilled one. So this seems to be a disruptive and unachievable target. Let me tell you that we are currently doing it. And about the other specialty of the aluminium is we can use around 100 times minimum. Not only that, even if you are scrapping it, you will get at least 20 to 35%. So you are not losing anything. So this is basically us. We are Fitin consultants. We are based in Trivandrum, Kerala. We are now open to pan-India basis. We are not like other companies where we need a lot of infrastructure. We are just to move into, we can build anywhere in India in just 10 to 15 days time. The only thing is we have to arrange 4 labors from your locality. That's all. Thank you very much. This is Fitin Consultants. Thank you.